Hi, hey, I want to share with you some thoughts. There are some great home buying opportunities right now, but they are disguised as fixer-uppers. I love fixer-uppers because you can buy the low-priced bargain deal and turn it into an equity-rich dream home. The challenge is, how do you find the right property, finance the purchase and the cost of the renovation, and get the right contractors to do all the work? Well, what I want to share with you is I can help you with all of this. I've been in the mortgage lending industry for over 30 years, and prior to that, I was a general contractor. I have the experience to help first-time home buyers as well as experienced home buyers turn that perfect location into the perfect home. Now, today, I want to share with you a property that I think has a ton of potential. Check this one out. This is 510 North 4th Street in Sterling, Colorado. It's listed by Adriana Otero with Best Life Realty. The purchase price is $190,000. It's 1,180 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Now, what I love about this and the reason why I think it's a great opportunity for someone is the fact that this house is located in a revitalization area. So HUD, who owns this home currently, has listed it as a good neighbor next door property. What this means is that for those who qualify, they can get a 50% discount off of the sales price of this home. And their total cash to close will be $100. Yes, you heard that right. Total cash to close would be $100. Let me share with you what the Good Neighbor Next Door program is. Buying a home through HUD's Good Neighbor Next Door initiative encourages renewal of revitalization areas by providing an opportunity for law enforcement officers, firefighters, emergency medical technicians, and teachers to purchase homes in these communities. HUD provides a 50% discount off the list price of eligible properties if the purchaser lives in the home for at least 3 years. Let's take a look at the numbers. So in this case here, the purchase price is $190,000. The Good Neighbor Next Door discount is $95,000. So let's calculate the loan amount and see how it all comes together. So the net selling price is $95,000. Now, as you walk through this home, you may realize that it's not quite perfect yet. Being a foreclosure, it may need some repairs or renovations. So we can add to this anything that you want to add as far as repairs and renovations go. So if the house needs new flooring, new paint, new appliances, new kitchen, new cabinets, new countertops, new paint, new roof, new HVAC system, anything that it needs, you can add in as renovations, and we will add it to the total selling price of the home. And then you do not have to do all the work. You get a contractor's estimate, your favorite contractor to do the work, and we add that amount into the loan amount. Now, anybody who's ever done renovations knows that once they get started, there may be some overruns or some unexpected expenses. So we're going to add in a 10% contingency reserve. So however much your contractor's estimate is, we will add an additional 10% to cover any unforeseen expenses. So in this case here, we're starting off with cost of renovations of $10,000. And again, that's just my guess. I'm going to add a 10% contingency reserve of $1,000. Now, with the renovation, there are some fees involved, and I'll go into a lot more details on all the fees and closing costs with you if you choose to move forward with this. But on the renovation side, there are some fees involved, such as a final appraisal inspection, final title update, and a renovation management fee. So the total cost of the fees for the renovation side is $600. Closing costs. Now, the closing costs on this are just typical FHA closing costs. In this case here, it's $4,313. And the prepaid costs, which are prepaid homeowners insurance, prepaid taxes for the property taxes, and the prepaid per diem for the interest. So in this case here, that's $3,030. And again, if this is something that you want to move forward with, we can look at your situation and I'll calculate all these fees, your exact situation. So in this case here, the total cost is $113,993. Now to calculate the loan amount, you subtract $100 from this. That's the down payment for this home is $100. So the base loan amount is $113,893. So again, this Good Neighbor Next Door program is an awesome way for people to buy a home. So my question to you is, who do you know that is a first responder, EMT, or teacher who wants to own a fully renovated home? please share this with them and have them give me a call. And I can guarantee you this opportunity will be gone in probably just a few days. So act on this quickly. Look to see who you know that may want to buy this home and have them give me a call, and let's make them a homeowner. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.